managing ADHD and enhancing focus. Hey, Emma, I watched this video that talked about feeling disorganized and having trouble focusing on tasks. It mentioned something about ADHD. Do you know anything about it?
Yes, John. I'm familiar with ADHD. It stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. It's a condition that affects people's ability to pay attention, stay organized, and manage their time effectively.
That sounds exactly like what I've been experiencing. I often find myself jumping from one task to another and never really completing anything. It's frustrating.
I understand how challenging that can be. ADHD can make it difficult to maintain focus and follow through on tasks, but it's important to remember that ADHD also comes with some unique strengths. People with ADHD can have moments of super focus and exhibit entrepreneurial traits.
Really? That's interesting. I never thought of it that way. But what can I do to better manage my time and stay focused?
One of the key strategies is setting measurable goals. Break down your tasks into smaller, achievable steps and give yourself specific deadlines. This will help you stay on track and give you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step.
That makes sense. So I should have clear expectations and deadlines for myself.
Exactly. Clear expectations and deadlines help pace your ADHD brain. Another important aspect is building connections. Sharing your concerns with a trusted individual can help shift your mindset from anxiety to problem solving.
I see. So connecting with others and discussing my challenges can actually be beneficial?
Absolutely. Connection is like a vitamin for individuals with ADHD. It can improve your mood, help you learn and grow, and provide you with support. Try to foster at least 2 significant friendships and commit to connecting with them regularly.
That sounds like a good approach. I'll definitely give it a try. But what about staying organized and avoiding distractions?
Introducing structure into your environment is crucial. Start small by setting up routines and creating a distraction-free workspace. This will help your ADHD brain function more effectively. Also, eliminate unnecessary distractions and use tools like timers or noise-canceling headphones to stay focused.
That sounds manageable. And what about tracking progress and handling setbacks?
Tracking your progress and celebrating small wins along the way is important. It keeps you motivated and helps build momentum. Remember, setbacks are normal. Have a failure mechanism in place to analyze why you didn't meet a goal and make adjustments accordingly.
I appreciate that advice. It takes off some of the pressure to be perfect all the time. Consistency and progress seem more important now.
Absolutely. Consistency is key. Be kind to yourself and focus on making progress, even if it's small steps. It's about sustainable and achievable plans that work for you.
I understand. I'll keep that in mind. By the way, the video also mentioned something about accessing the flow state. What's that?
The flow state is when you're fully immersed in a task, feeling focused and productive. It's a state where time seems to fly by. You can enhance your chances of entering the flow state by eliminating distractions, setting challenging but manageable tasks, and using techniques like listening to specific music that helps you concentrate.
That sounds amazing. I'll definitely try to get into the flow state more often. It could make a big difference.
It definitely can. Lastly, remember that seeking professional help is essential. If you suspect you have a ADHD, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional who can provide an accurate diagnosis and guide you on the best management strategies for your specific needs.
Thank you so much, Emma. Your insights and advice have been incredibly helpful. I feel more hopeful about managing my challenges now.
You're welcome, John. I'm glad I could assist you. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Reach out whenever you need support or have more questions.
I will. Thanks again, Emma. Take care.
You too, John. Good luck on your journey to better focus and productivity.
If nobody believes in you. Hey, Sarah, can I talk to you about something? It's been on my mind lately.
Of course, Alex. I'm here to listen. What's bothering you?
Well, I've been facing a lot of disbelief and hardships lately. It feels like nobody believes in me or my abilities.
I understand how discouraging that can be, Alex. But remember, you should never let others' opinions define your reality. You have the power to prove them wrong.
That's true, Sarah. I've been struggling with self-doubt because people often dismiss me as incapable. It's disheartening.
I can imagine, Alex. But let me share my own journey with you. I've also faced similar challenges and had to overcome disbelief. It was tough, but I learned to rely on my own determination rather than seeking validation from others.
That's inspiring, Sarah. Did you have any support during those difficult times?
Absolutely. I was fortunate to have a supportive family. They believed in me even when others didn't. Their encouragement and guidance made a significant difference in my life.
It's great that you had that support, Sarah. Unfortunately, my family has been struggling with financial difficulties. We even lost our family business. And it has been tough for us.
I'm really sorry to hear that, Alex. Facing financial struggles can be incredibly challenging. But remember, setbacks don't define your future. It's how you respond to them that matters.
You're right, Sarah. I've been trying to stay positive and find new opportunities. I don't want to give up on my dreams, even though it's been hard.
That's the spirit. Alex, determination and resilience are crucial. It might not be easy, but as long as you keep pushing forward, you'll find a way to overcome the obstacles.
I needed to hear that, Sarah. It's reassuring to know that others have been through tough times and came out stronger. It gives me hope.
I'm glad I could provide some encouragement, Alex. Remember, success is not just about luck or circumstances. It's about hard work, dedication, and never losing sight of your goals.
You're absolutely right, Sarah. I won't let others' opinions or my current situation define my future. I'll keep working towards my dreams, no matter what.
I believe in you, Alex. Keep that determination alive, and I have no doubt you'll achieve great things. Remember, you're not alone on this journey.
Thank you so much for your support and wise words, Sarah. It means a lot to me. I'll keep going, and I won't give up on my dreams.
You're welcome, Alex. I'm here for you anytime you need someone to talk to or seek guidance. Keep your head up and stay focused. You've got this.
I will, Sarah. Thank you again. Your belief in me has given me renewed strength and motivation. I'm ready to face any challenge that comes my way.
That's the spirit, Alex. I'm excited to see all the amazing things you'll accomplish. Remember, your journey is unique, and it's all part of your growth and development.
I won't forget that, Sarah. I'll embrace every experience, both positive and negative, as stepping stones towards my success. Thanks for being there for me.
Anytime, Alex. Remember, you're not alone in this. We're all cheering for you and supporting you every step of the way. Keep shining.
I will, Sarah. With your support and the lessons I've learned today, I'm ready to face the world and make my dreams a reality.